Hi everyone, and in this video I'll be discussing what research I'm doing to see if this is even possible on my own to build a kit. Hi everyone, and welcome to the channel about building a kit car and other car topics. If you like what you see, please subscribe and hit the notification button below, and share with others on social media. You could always click on the links below to see my journey from the beginning. So, is building a kit car even possible on my own? Well, I found a few TV shows that gave me some great insight to what's involved. Now, I know these are polished shows edited to simplicity and with professionals building them, but I thought I would share them since they have been pivotal in making my decisions. Now, I do have a bachelor's in electrical engineering. That means 7 levels of college math, multiple physics courses, and taking signals and putting them on the back of a carrier frequency and putting it down a fiber optic cable theoretically, and all of which I do not remember anymore. How much did college cost? Anyways, this means I have a clue when it comes to scientific method and analytics and research and execution. I do have that analytical mind, and I'm also very creative. So this is what makes me a Libra. It's all about balance. But with all this knowledge and no practical experience of ever building a car, we are looking at how well do I learn and what is my threshold of this is over my abilities and I'm not interested. So you could now argue that you could pay people to do parts that you can't, and that's fair, but if it's 70% of the car that you're farming out, well, then I'm not really building it then. And what's the point? And I say that because I like projects. I like doing things. You know, there's nothing wrong with wanting to build a kit car and picking it out and sending it to someone and having them do it for you and they do it to your specs. That's totally cool. So I'm not saying anything bad about that. But for me, I like projects and I like to be hands-on and I want to go through it. I found a 33 hot rod build on a show called Two Guys Garage, which you could find in the links below. And in this 5-part series, they build a 33 with a pre-made Dart engine to drop in and a 3-link suspension. They also go on a factory tour to show you how it's made, which is pretty cool. I also found a competition show called Car Warriors, where 2 teams face off building 2 different 33 hot rods from Factory 5. These are totally 2 different cars. They look totally different. And it really gives you a great idea of how far you could go with customization and making the car your own. For me, after watching all these shows and kind of seeing what's involved, it looks really feasible. I think my biggest issue is going to be the bodywork since I've never done any before. And like cutting in doors does not sound too fun. And oh, whoops, what's this 1/2-inch gap now on my door? I don't know. What am I supposed to do with that? You're supposed to fill it back in? I'm not sure. So that's like the scariest for me. But other than that, you know, this seems pretty feasible for me. Until next time, please hit the subscribe and notification buttons below and have a great day.